Hello all chess lovers, hope all of you are great. In this video we are going to learn about decoying. Before going to the video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe. Your each subscription will be a great motivation for me to do many videos like this. So let us learn what is decoying. First of all, if you have learned about basic rules and some concepts like pin and fork, decoying will be new to you, and this is an intermediate advanced concept. So let us see what is decoy in normal words. um, if the queen is on this square, if the rook is not here, just saying, if the queen is on this square, our knight is in g4, then it's knight f6 fork. It forks both the king and queen. Now we want to think what are the ways in which we can get the queen to e8 square. In this position, fortunately, rook e8 check. After that, queen into e8 is forced. So now we will force our we have forced our opponent to bring his queen to e8. Now it's fork anyway, and white has a huge material advantage, and it will be winning. This is known as decoying. We need the queen on e8 square. We done that by forcing the king with check. So forcing our opponent to play the moves which we want is known as decoying. This is a position which I have created. Let me show the real game position to explain the importance of decoying. Now this is our next example. In this position we have a nice queen and bishop battery. Now it's white to play, and mate in 2. I would recommend everybody to pause the video and find the answer. Now let us see how decoying works in a serious way. In this position, if the king is on the h8 square, then it's mate in 1. Queen h7 is mate. Obviously we have an way to bring the king to h8 square by rook h8 check. After rook h8, king into h8, and queen h7 is mate. I hope everybody have now understood what is decoying, and now let us see the final example, and let us see how to set up and trap foreign king using the decoying trick. Now this position is also white to play, and this is an advanced form of decoying. Here if we don't have this rook, if we have the queen on this h1 square, and if the knight is not here in the same position, imagine we will be giving a mate with our queen and bishop by queen h7 check. After king f8, queen h8 check. Now we are going to set up a position like that. First of all, we are going to sacrifice this rook by rook h8 check. After king into h8, queen h1, king g8. After this we have achieved half of our target. Now we will play bishop into f6. After queen into f6 or g into f6, we are going to made the black king in 2 moves. So I hope all of them have understand the concept of decoy. I would recommend everybody to solve more puzzles on decoy, because it will be more helpful to set up traps. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, because your each subscription will be a great motivation for me to do many videos like this. Thank you for watching again, and take care.